Then we're live, and see now it says end broadcast. Don't hit the end broadcast now, because people can hear us now, and we are talking about. Wait, I get the second camera on running here somewhere.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. There we.
There we are. Hey.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hey everybody. Good evening. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
If you weren't doing the thing, we have the happy Halloween episode today, so we have scary stuff for you guys.
Yeah.
Loads of scary stuff. Yeah, and promise no spiders, I hope.
And a horror story.
And a horror story, yeah.
So the story. Shall I tell the story from the beginning?
Wait. Let's see what the people are talking about.
Oh yes.
Clocks, Grand Canals, go back. Yeah, we're doing the same as in the UK.
Yeah, we do exactly the same. So we always stay on the same time as the UK, summer and winter. Yeah.
Pushing years, please. We get updates of the software as a lifetime updates. Oh, you're talking about Adobe, Greg? I did the trial software. Yeah, I think Adobe should give this off for free, and they should have a reason. If it say, okay, if you're using this for production, for making money, then you pay for this. But man,
yeah, and quite a big jump in money in as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Unity engine for games and stuff, you have to earn 10 million euros a year or something to pay for it. Yeah.
PM Chris, Dutch, the other Dutch. Hey,
both Dutches.
Yeah, we updated a bit the setup over here. I can show you guys up. So we hope that it will run better. So now we don't have a second PC that took ages of space, and now we have this funny notebook over there, and all this thing is powered. Now I nearly killed the camera with this thing.
This thing,
175 watts.
Can we show?
Yeah.
So this thing, 175 watts, which got off AliExpress.
Yeah, for 25 or something. Yeah.
That's insane. Yeah, really.
So now we're powering the notebook over PD with 20 volts. And the little microscope is powered by a regular USB. So just to start to say to Carlos, I'm behind these things. I have PD everywhere now. So if I need more than 20 volts or 5 amps, I'm probably grilling the CPU. So
yeah. But this 175 watt charger isn't actually 175.
No. This is Chinese watts. This is very strange.
Well, no, it says. I mean, what it actually says, if you look at it, it says it's 100 watt on the PD.
Yeah.
And 75 watts on the standard 5 volt.
Yeah.
Or something like that.
But that's a lot of power still.
Yeah.
100 watts PD when you do your...
Well, 20 volts 5 amps, yeah, plenty, isn't it?
100 watt PD can power 5 laptops, pretty much.
Yeah. One soldering iron.
One soldering iron,
yeah. Yeah, right. And you can run soldering irons with these things now without having to worry about. We can try this how much output this has with the soldering iron, because the one you had that.
I still have the soldering iron here.
Yeah, with the
100 watt
stupid wattage on the thing.
It goes over 100. Yeah, you can try that.
Yeah.
So horror stories, guys. So last week somebody came into the workshop with a laptop. And they said, can you take the battery out of this? And I said, no, you've tried to unfasten the laptop. He says, no, the bulging battery is unfastening the laptop. The casing of the laptop was like Boeing. So I got inside it, and when I opened it up, this is what I found. This. So this is like
that's 3 cells bulging at the same time. That's horrible.
This inside. So I disconnected and took it off, and I said, well, go find yourself a battery. So at the moment the customer's trying to find a battery in Germany, but otherwise I said, let me know and I'll order one, but they're a bit of a pain getting batteries over to here. So yeah.
So we were very, very scared, and
we were really scared because Dad says, oh, it's probably all right if it's flat. No, she was using the laptop with this in.
It was charged to the max.
It was charged to the max, 8.5 volt, and it's a 7-point-something volt battery. So it was charged absolutely to the full. It says it's a 7.7 volt. And it had 8.5 volts in it. Yeah, nice pillow.
Yeah.
So we
agreed.
So we took a 100 ohm resistor, and I just snipped one of the red wires and soldered it across there, and we left it, and the next day it had discharged.
I see a problem with this. You put it after the protection circuit, so that could actually just cut off at that point and still have a charge inside. So
what do we do with it?
I can strip off the outer sheeting and we can actually discharge it.
You can flatten it with a hammer, maybe.
You don't want to do that inside, though.
Not inside. No.
These things at flat still produce quite a lot of fire.
Okay.
Yeah. So do not do that.
Don't do this. Drill it. Yeah, Dutch.
So shall I just throw it in the skip and pretend it wasn't?
We can open it up and look at the
You remember
protection
when the
circuit.
skiff was on fire? This was probably a lithium battery.
Yeah, probably.
Well, first
But
of all,
the fork,
let's just
Greg.
check there's no voltage in this anymore.
I thought we were friends.
It would show flat actually because you're behind the protection circuit still.
Okay.
Kind of funny to watch it. Oh, Dutch, you're doing the thing with where you're doing the race, right?
What race?
Some Formula One thingamajig.
Ah, okay.
Oh, these are the spiky.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You guys, you
not
know
step
that
myself.
if this goes on fire, I'm dead here. You know this, right?
Yeah, he's
Yeah, you're trapped.
I'm trapped here. Yeah.
inside. Yeah, it's showing 0.
Yeah.
So it was 8.5 previously.
Yeah, but it will show 0 because the protection circuit will
The BMS will has
shut off. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Once it's discharged?
yeah, but it still
Well,
keeps a lot of
it's
charge.
not discharged. It will be below a certain range.
2.5 volts or something.
Ah, no, mustn't be. It could be 3.
Yeah, it could be
Yeah.
3 actually. Yeah, actually, the safest
Warwick,
point is 3.
hopefully not. The explosion will hopefully not happening, especially with this thing.
Yeah.
So do we need some tools or?
I just need scissors or something to cut off the sheeting.
I have a knife.
Or a knife. Yeah, but
Oh,
a knife is a little
This wasn't planned.
risky. Okay, so let's find the protection circuit first. So these are this sheeting is the same thing that shrink tube is made of, by the way. See if you didn't
I
know.
don't think so. This is sticky normally, so these.
Yeah,
probably are
no,
problems.
they actually shrink it to the battery. So I've seen it produced actually.
Oh my god.
So
This is getting out of hand already. Yeah.
If
Hey,
you-
Lewis.
do not cut into the battery, cut away from the battery.
Lewis says I cleared out an entire 50-story hotel once because I actually punctured a battery. Yeah, this is what I'm afraid of, Lewis.
I heard a psst.
You hear the psst?
Yeah. I did.
Stop it, please.
Stop it, leave it alone.
No, don't worry. It was just.
This is what you always say. And then something explodes.
We haven't had explosions here.
In a long time, you mean?
Yeah. So it's about time for one.
So missile protection could be.
Yeah. The thing
Depends
that
on the BMS. Yeah, battery management, by the way. BMS.
the thing that you heard or I heard was the air escaping between the batteries. So no worries. That was
You missed your club thing.
That was, I'm too scared.
We are, my friend.
yeah.
Oh my god, look at those battery cells.
And there's the BMS in the middle. Cool.
Okay.
You don't need to go further than the BMS.
Yeah.
Please.
No, I won't. Don't worry. I'm not risking too much here. Okay, so
He said it was an evil
Okay.
grin.
Okay.
we can measure the solder tabs on this.
Okay, so
And
we
actually
measure across the solder tabs.
we should see some voltage.
Okay, so the batteries, accordingly, there's no voltage on the battery.
Yeah, but
you
that's
say there will be.
yeah.
Sorry, Dutch. We talked to the Formula 1 guys, the Formula 1 guys, and tell them you can't do the thing now because
Volts.
we have our live stream running at that one point. But yeah.
Okay, so let's.
DC volts. Can we get onto this then?
And let me try to get in there.
Yeah.
People want to probably see the BMS.
There we go.
Okay.
This thing.
There, you can see the voltage, right? So
I can see the voltage.
This is one of the voltage.
No, it's not a good idea. Please don't do this at home. Yeah, that's what I said. 3.6 volts.
These are still very charged, especially with the power they have inside. It's a 3.7 cell and it has 3.6, so it's practically.
No, it's 4.2 would be the fully charged.
Yeah, 3.7
But 3.6 is
nominal. Yeah,
3.6 is still very high.
Yeah, I was expecting 3 to 2.5.
No. This is a healthy shutdown voltage.
3.6.
Yeah, this is a healthy shutdown voltage.
Yeah. No,
You don't want to go down to
do we just short these things out to this charge?
No, please.
no. Then you have run away. Then you get a fire. All of these are max charged.
And talking about runaway, I can't.
No.
Oh no, you're stuck in the corner, aren't you?
Okay, so
yeah, I'm stuck here.
that's a really good reason to open this and show this, so you don't do this. Because you could expect that you measure 0 volts on the connector,
Yeah.
and you think it's flat, and you think, oh, maybe do an experiment or something. Yeah, a resistor.
No, don't.
Louis, you're right. A resistor would actually be the safest way to discharge these.
Yeah, this is the only way.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring them down to as low as they can get, because they can't get.
But the
any
resistor
worse.
has to be very high rating, because if you draw a lot of current through these, even if they will blow up.
So it's
3.6 volts.
Okay, so if we connected, like, say, a 360 ohm resistor, that's 100 milliamps. Do you want less current than that?
No, 100 milliamps should be.
So like a 390 ohm or something like that would give you less 100 milliamps. Yeah, but hold on a sec. What's the wattage? It's like 100 milliamps times 3. Well, it's about a third of a watt, isn't it? It's okay.
Yeah, it should be fine. But don't do this. Obviously.
Indeed, don't do this.
So the question is,
they are repairable. You need to change out these, but finding the specific sizes for these.
No, they're normally stenciled on there.
Yeah.
You normally got a six-digit code that tells you the
exact
the measurements about these things. But since this is a
AliExpress version,
I can't get in there.
No, and it actually doesn't have their size.
79.
Yeah.
No, this isn't the size.
SX. No, it's not.
Yeah.
So
I'm wondering about the complexity of tying various battery capacities. What over the time that complexities? Lon, with you there. I never saw this before. I never saw that you
two
put
different sizes,
different capacities onto the same battery.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
But look at the chassis. This is prepared to be. No, it isn't.
Can I just suggest something, guys? There's three. If it's a 9-volt battery, then you're 3, 3, and 3. So these two are in parallel.
Well, it's still
these two half-size ones are in parallel.
Capacities.
Yeah, but what I'm suggesting is, I think if it's 3 volts each, it's about 9-volt battery. You can't have 4 cells. It's not 12 volt.
No.
So therefore, I'm thinking that these two are actually in parallel.
So they measure up to one of these.
So it measures up to one of those. That's why they're about half the size each.
That makes sense. But why not put one of the batteries to this side, make a PCB that goes this way?
This looks like this is a lower cap. No, it isn't. The molding is actually for this.
Yeah, it is. So
weird.
If you want to design something like this and have 3 cells, it's easy, really. You just make a PCB that bends in or same width as this. Put another one here and leave this empty. I don't understand the double.
Yeah.
It's just more complexity.
So we're not going to stab this then?
No, don't.
No. Yeah, Silvio says the right thing. Replacing the cells is not difficulty, but reprogramming the BMS chip is a nightmare without proper tools, often requiring also expensive licenses. Indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you shouldn't do this. Don't replace them, because the BMS doesn't know where it is in this case, and normally these needs to be calibrated, and without the tools, no, you can't do this.
There are some BMSs that you can reset, pumping in the voltage you think the battery should have. So
Dutch
it calibrates.
Dutch have a good race made. Have fun on the wet track and following people driving around.
It's just people going.
Yeah, he's driving. He's driving.
It's just people going round and round.
He's driving.
So
no. I like racing.
So what are we going to do with it? That's the question. What are we actually going to do with it?
You have to throw it away pretty much. Skip. There is the place where they take all the recyclable things.
The one on the way to your house?
Yeah, exactly.
They probably run from this.
Yeah, no, they have battery disposal
explosive
compartment.
Well, containment.
Yeah, it's a bin made of very thick metal, pretty much.
In this case,
but putting this inside there, this leads short to something that's metallic. That's a lot of stuff in there. It would probably explode. So I do understand the metallic container.
Well, in this case, then a customer asked me if we could repair this. So this is this battery from this Worth with a U. Oh, you see it's on the other end of it, Worth. This off an electric drill or some power tool. Yeah, these are like almost €200 to buy one.
Are these 18650s?
Yes, they are.
Yeah. So when we had a look inside this,
it has about 8 or so.
No, 4. Can we?
Only 4. They're not in parallel.
If we get a screwdriver, we open this up.
Yeah. Okay. No screwdriver here.
I can get you a screwdriver.
The horrible screwdriver set.
Shitty McShitty screwdrivers. Okay, let's see. Can I actually get this thing off with this
Here you go. Screwdriver.
Yeah.
Oh, the shitty screwdriver.
You can't even get them out without spilling them.
They're not crosshead, they're like little
Yeah, torques.
torques.
Warwick, yeah, I have no idea what to do with these things. Normally I'd say when you have lithium cells that are gone for which reason ever, this is a problem to dispose.
Yeah, if you put them in the trash, you risk a fire, obviously. So yeah, there are, like I said, disposal places around here, but in Sweden, for example, I actually can't remember if I could remember any place I could put lithium batteries.
Warwick, and
normal batteries, yeah.
And to extend your nightmares there, think about the electric cars that are driving around there.
Oh.
Yeah, they are, don't know how many of these...
they don't use 18650s.
No, they do use 26700s.
Yeah.
So,
or they use the battery blocks, the big square ones.
well, I think Tesla had the 27600s.
Yeah, they use those.
So do you think there'll come to this point where, like, effectively those cells you get off AliExpress and people are going to be fixing car batteries?
Yeah.
Why not? You could do that.
Yeah, because it's usually 1 or 2 cells that break in the entire chain. Not
complex BMS, so nope.
But the tools are actually available for the Teslas.
Okay.
So maybe.
So this is what's inside this thing.
Oh, no, there are 2 more cells in the actual shaft, I think.
You sure?
Yeah, they usually are. Yep.
Oh, well, maybe we didn't order enough cells. No, I don't think there are.
Did you order?
You sure?
I thought you ordered them from the place in
No,
June. That's tiny components place.
I did send you the...
No,
oh, sorry.
They skipped them. Okay. So normally, the reason these are the shape they are,
See?
there are 2 cells that actually go.
I was right.
This is a 4 one. But there should be... Okay, this is quite small. I have worked on bigger ones.
Yeah.
From the other good brand.
Marcel, we have a spot welder for these.
Yeah.
We do have a spot welder.
Yeah, we do. It's at my place, I think.
No, we have another one.
Okay, you have another
Dutch,
one.
absolutely. Use Li-Fi Po4 cells. They don't explode. Absolutely, Dutch.
I was going there. Yeah. You can change them out. The electronics that you hook up don't know the difference, pretty much.
No, you can't. The
voltage
the
is
voltage
lower.
the charging is different, and the and voltage is different. So you can't simply switch them out. Please, look, people, don't do this.
No, but the charging is handled by this, because this. Okay, you don't use the same charger.
Then you have to change the BMS.
Yeah, of course.
So.
Oh, yeah, okay, I see the point. Your point. The BMS will be a pain in the ass. That's true.
Okay, so this is the spot welder. So I've reviewed 2 spot welders. One I gave to Carlos, and this is the one I got from Fernursi. And I kept this one. Yeah, so I reviewed this a little while ago if you look on my channel, Fernursi spot welding machine, and this was really good actually.
Yeah, the one you gave me is good, but it has less features than this.
Yeah, this one has more features, yeah. And it wasn't a stupid, I mean, it wasn't dead cheap, but it wasn't stupidly expensive either. I can't remember exactly how much these things were.
They usually go for 70 to 100.
SWM10. But for this sort of work, I mean, to be honest, we said we could get 4 batteries for this for about €5 each. This is quite a low capacity. They're not very high.
Yeah.
This is 18.7 watt hours in total.
Okay, so they're using low end.
And I guess there's no complex charging in here because this is different from a notebook.
Yeah, so we thought, so we worked out €5 each for the batteries at a higher rating than the original ones. So that's like €20 for the parts. Now, the guy said this was about €200 to replace. Yeah. So if I charge him like €60 to fix it,
he'll be happy.
He'll be happy. So we've made €40. That's half the value of this thing already.
How much did you pay for the 18650s? €5 each?
Yeah, we found a whole variety of prices, but these were from a company in Germany, what they call Tiny.
No, in Netherlands. So Dutch is the one who's closest to Tinytronics.
Tinytronics.
Shout out to the guys.
They had a variety of different ones, but they had some.
This is what I sent you the link for this HC00.
Yeah, so they weren't the cheapest ones at €5, but they were higher rated than these, and they were, you know how it is. Don't go for the cheapest. Don't go for the most expensive.
No. And AliExpress have a hawk eye on the values because they claim 9,900 milliamp hours on 18650s. It's physically impossible.
This is just like getting a power bank that is this size and there's 20 million.
Yeah, it's physically impossible to fit.
Watt ampere hours? Yeah, they don't have watt hours.
9,900 milliamp hours on one of these.
SWM. Yeah, let's have a quick look at the spot welder.
Cherry Coke again.
So for this, the SWM10. Oh no, they
Dutch
cheap now.
says, can you send you a couple of 18650s?
Are you kidding me? That's
no. Sometimes they put more.
It's probably the
no. Bands good have them
with the new fancy.
It's the connector for it.
You have 5,000 of them, Dutch. Why do you have 5,000 18650? Why?
I can buy some of you.
But no, I can't get them on the plane. I was just thinking send them over to Germany because it's way easier to send them over to us over here.
I think 100 watts is the max you can have.
I don't know, and I don't want to risk this.
You don't want to find out.
No, I don't want to find out. No.
Yeah. So there are a few regulations to come here to Canarias with batteries.
Okay, so the spot welder at the moment is like €40.
That's cheap.
Does
that include the leads?
It includes VAT, so we get 21% off that.
Yeah.
This thing's very slow to be a web page.
Told you.
On AliExpress we have.
AliExpress is even slower.
Yeah, we need a LAN cable to this thing. But yeah, about €40. So this is a case.
Press the F11.
F11.
Yeah.
Where is F11 on this keyboard?
On the keyboard.
You hold in F and.
Look at this, and now we have a full screen image for the people over there, and now they can see everything. Way better.
Except the top right.
Allow access.
Yeah, allow.
Yeah, allowing access is good for a browser. Yeah.
Yeah. it needs internet to work.
Yeah, and give us the cookies because this isn't used for anything else anyway.
Yeah. It's bang good. It's not dangerous.
Okay, so although it's kind of like all screwed up and nothing's happening.
What do you want to show the people? Maybe
what comes with the thingy?
I can see a picture of it now behind this window that won't go away.
Allow access.
I've done that before.
Yeah.
Did you use the key, the key on the keypad? Not
the actual button.
Yeah, the actual button. Oh, it
okay, it's just the dead.
We already have an SSD in this one here.
So it's fast, and it should be fast enough.
You know what? I'll bring you guys back when we get a update on the screen over there.
Okay, fine. So yeah, actually fixing this, I mean, like
it's not hard.
It's like €200. Why? Because it's just got a stupid plastic case on it.
Yeah. So the shape of the case is pretty much dictated how much it's worth. There are these kinds of batteries with 8 cells, 12 cells. They're just bigger.
Okay, I have the thing now. I have it now. So it comes with the actual charger, the leads, the tips, the metal strips. So you've got some strip to play with.
Buy some extra strip if you want to do this.
The USB cable.
The strip inside that comes with this is too thin, I think.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Yeah, €40. That's a really useful tool.
It's not wide enough. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, this was good quality. This strip, nickel strip. No, we don't need to try it. You did it on your channel. Most of the people have seen it.
Okay.
But the nickel strip looks good. Normally, what comes with these things is crap quality. I bought a new roll.
Yeah, it comes with a couple of spare tips and that stuff.
Just want to shove it in there. Yeah, no. Really good quality stuff.
Yeah. So you keep the other one that I gave you.
Thanks.
Kavoda,
I appreciate
this is a 1280 by 700 something display, so we're really zoomed in anyways, and this gets scaled up by the OBS thing here.
Okay, so that's that.
This is why I said F11 because full screen. You know?
Yeah, so you can read.
People out there looking at this on your phones, so I feel the thing.
So that's one horror story. So would Depp like to tell the other horror story?
Wait.
You have
should we dim the lights for that? And I need a flashlight under my chin or something.
Okay, do you have a flash? Yeah, you do. Yeah.
This is a story when Carlos tried to kill me.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Do we have a?
Okay. He says okay.
something.
Hey
Carlos.
Did you hear this? This is a story where Carlos tried to kill me. He goes okay. Well, this is
it seems reasonable.
Carlos tried.
This is what you expect from
Carlos
friends, right?
tried to kill Detlef.
Yeah.
Shall I bring the?
Seems right.
The murder
weapon.
The murder weapon,
Let's
please.
bring the murder weapon.
Attempted murder weapon. Yeah. So I was sometimes ago a friend over here at the Botanical asked me, "Oh, can we do updates on the machine and something?" And she said, "Okay, I want to update my." She's a language teacher, and she wanted to update her little classroom there. And I said, "Well, maybe want to have a projector." In German, you'd say a beamer, by the way. And I learned English people don't know what a beamer is.
No, we do. A beamer.
Without being a BWM.
It's a BMW.
BMW.
It's a
A beamer is not BMW.
So I asked Carlos, "Do you have a projector over?" And she says, "Yeah, fine, I have one." So we forgot that the projector was there. And 2 weeks ago, he remembered me, "What's about the projector?" And I said, "Oh, crap, I forgot." And so I went over to Gabi and said, "Okay, come on, let's try this out." And we got this connected. And it started with a very whiny fan. I'm trying to get the right pitch here.
Yeah.
And that ran for about 20 seconds, and then it made BOOM!
It exploded internally.
It worked when I tested it at home, and Lily played with the games on this for half an hour.
What's Lily poked inside there, maybe?
Attempted murder.
Attempted murder.
It actually has a brand new lamp inside. The lamp probably.
It went bang.
Whatever exploded, I simply switched it off.
Yeah.
Gabi was really scared. She was, "What the heck happened? What the?"
Okay, let's see what
I was standing there laughing. Okay.
Shall we ask the guys first? Would you like to see what's inside if what went bang?
Yeah.
Carlos has already got a screwdriver. So
Yeah, I'm already on it.
that's a rhetorical question. Would you like a bigger screwdriver?
No, this should work fine.
Yeah.
So
let's get the overhead camera on. Come on.
It's a brand new lamp on it. I haven't used it in a few years, so the whiny fan would probably be dust.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the people want to see blood.
Yeah.
Get in there. Can we get the overhead camera on or something?
Do you think it will help?
I don't
Let's
know.
see. Oh yeah, it will help.
Can we zoom?
Yeah. What?
Oh, the manual zoom.
Yeah, I'm stuck here. Really stuck. Oh, perfect.
This is the high-tech zoom.
Yeah. Oh, you're too close.
Yeah,
Oh,
too close.
need to go get
Is that
some-
okay?
Yeah, just a sec. I need to reposition this for people.
Right, we're in.
There.
We're in. Let's go for it.
So my guess is the lamp. A big bang, usually the lamp.
Capacitor. I would think.
Or a big cap.
Okay, guys, get your bets in. I say capacitor.
Yeah.
Let me
Carlos says a lamp.
let me get the people to all the needed information. It smelled like a cap.
Okay.
It sounded like a cap.
Okay, so it's a cap.
Well, if it sounds like a cap and it smells like a cap, one would probably assume it is a cap.
Yeah, then it's
or
a
a
cap.
duck, you know.
Oh, a duck. Yeah.
Okay. Come on, focus, you dumb thing. There we go.
I can go
Okay.
for manual focus. Wait, you keep going there.
Yeah, I know. I know this. This is version 2 of the crappy sets.
I've got another screwdriver. What are you trying to find?
It's a Phillips, but one is too small, one is too big.
Philip, this was on for about not even a minute, so
Then something's wrong.
there wouldn't be overheating problems, not in the short amount of time.
No.
Or it's something overheated very rapidly.
I have had this.
ADE, Alien versus what's the E? Focus on F star.
I have had this open once before when I modified it to 3D. It didn't have 3D from the factory, but
Silvio,
it was just firmware swap, so nothing.
I really hope that this isn't just a lamp.
No, it's probably not the lamp this time.
Well, I didn't keep running after the bang because
Lamp is fine. You can see the filament inside.
Yeah.
Usually there's a lot of black dust inside when these go. Okay. So this is brand new practically. It has maybe 20 hours of use. so this is okay. I don't see any obvious burning. I see the fan, so you can reach that and probably just dust it off and it should work fine. The fan is right there.
Does it spin?
Yeah. It seems loose. So it's the bearing inside the cap. There's a small cap you can remove on the back. So normal stuff, stuff that hasn't been run in a few years, usually get a little noisy. Okay, let's see. Are these dust bunnies? Yes, they are.
Okay.
Look like it was.
Do you want to get back into the shot? You have
We ran out of shot.
Sorry, guys. I have been. That doesn't reach.
Okay, you want to. What size is it? Okay. Okay. I have something I found earlier. I have a nosy in there.
Oh yeah, there we go. Finally, I get the good stuff. Is it charged?
It is. And there's some really long ones.
Yep, exactly what I need.
It is charged.
Lovely Sunday evening. Good evening, Darko.
Press the button.
Yeah.
This is not the. This is not. Yeah.
No, that one.
This is not that one. This is not. This is not the psychosomatic one.
Yeah.
The telepathic one.
Yeah. But this works very well. There's a screw in there.
That was exactly what I was going to ask you. I removed this one.
Master, now I get this. Thanks.
There is a screw. There we go. Get it off and then. And there should be a screw under the label, if I remember correctly. This was a very long time ago, by the way. I modified this when I lived in Sweden still, so
Okay.
so it was a while ago. Should start coming up on this side, right?
Yeah, this is the part where you speed up the video. Paul.
Yeah, I agree.
Any questions for us, guys, while Carlos is trying to get into this thing?
I don't see any more screw holes. So this.
Sorry for the thing that's hanging in front of my face.
It's fun to watch, Marcel says. The manual adjustments.
Yeah, so we don't have that in the way. Let's see. So if I remember correctly, I had to unstick these because there was a screw here, but no, doesn't seem to be. And this has to come off, or is it on? No, okay. So this should come off now.
Do you guys want to actually see what Carlos is doing?
I'm trying to take the lid off. So I took out the 4 screws in the front. There's no screws here whatsoever. You cannot take off this. So this should actually just pop off.
Oh, something happened.
The top goes up.
Oh, something fell out.
Yeah, the screws.
Screws fell out. Okay.
I was expecting that.
Okay.
Okay, so the top comes off.
Right.
Instead, but it should come off to the front. So the no screws holding it. There is one.
Kavora says screw on the side.
Screw in the side.
Yes, there are. You're right. Right there. And one back here.
See, people can see this on video.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, no, they're good.
Oh!
The back.
That went bang.
Yeah. The light is not inside, so it's fine.
You know that Gabi don't want to have this anymore, right?
Yeah.
Was that as scary as the previous bang?
Yeah.
How come Gabby doesn't want it if we get it working?
Well, I wouldn't trust the thing as far as I can throw it, anyways.
No, it was my main TV for many years, actually. So it's been working fine.
Yeah.
Like I said, Lily played games on it for half an hour before for testing.
It exploded. Okay.
So I don't know how it exploded.
I don't know either. I'm still guessing power supply.
Yeah.
So I think it's irreparable.
I don't know. Depends on what happened.
It is repairable, pretty much.
If you get a voltage source going through the whole system, there's nothing to repair.
This is not likely.
No, I don't think so either.
VGA port screw. I'm just
yeah. Do they go through?
Don't think so. I would guess not. But
the top cover itself is loose. What I can see.
I think we're going to need a beer.
I need a spudger or some spudgers.
Okay.
Yeah, it is loose. Comes out.
Kavora says try to remove the sides first.
Have a dig in there.
No, the sides don't come off because it's an entire piece. It's molded together. See, it's not separate. So either the entire bottom side comes off or the entire top. So
I can see where the split is around here.
Yeah.
You're taking my life as a question. Should there ever be a reason to have a ceramic capacitor with a negative voltage on one side and a positive voltage on the other in reference to ground?
You can.
This is one for Richard.
Well, ceramic capacitors are not polarized.
Yeah, so you can have it if you want to.
The only thing I can possibly think of, but it wouldn't. Is sure it's a ceramic? Is this a ceramic disc capacitor?
The yellow ones. The small.
Yeah, the polarized one you have, is this a ceramic disc capacitor?
Or they're polarized.
Because the only reason I can think of is not polarized, but you might have a marking on the foil capacitor, which tells you which end is connected to the outer foil.
Yeah, pretty much.
But that's not true
It's
for
a
us.
tiny square one. You're taking my life. I think you can't post pictures and they.
Oh, okay. Tiny square one.
Sorry.
Is it SMD or through hole?
Yep, this is a good question.
Yep. True. I remember I took this apart. It wasn't that hard.
It's SMD.
Should we give this 5 more minutes? And if it doesn't work,
Yeah, if it doesn't work, we move on to something else.
Yeah.
Because
There we go.
I should have said this earlier.
I don't know. It's an SMD with a positive. Are you sure? I think maybe it's a tantalum capacitor.
Yeah, those
Square
are
ones are normally tantalum. Is it black? This little capacitor. Or yellow? Is it yellow?
Yeah, yellow, a small
Is it a
square.
small square yellow one or small square black one? I would say it's a tantalum, not a ceramic.
Tantalum's been yellow, I remember in mind.
Sometimes black as well.
Yeah. So those are not ceramic per se.
No, they're I think it's a tantalum capacitor.
Yeah.
I think without knowing the circuit, it's pretty hard to say what this is.
Yeah, somebody else says tantalum smelly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not as smelly as selenium.
Yeah, I know. Those are horrible.
There's a bit of selenium. Oh,
There we go.
okay, we're there.
Yeah, it's just the last snap on the side there.
Somebody's holding it down in here.
Yeah, no, I know. It's the snap.
There's not a screw in this corner, for example.
Watch out for the ribbon.
I didn't take it out actually.
There's a screw in the corner.
Yeah, the ribbon for the buttons, you mean? Yeah. Oh yeah, right.
Now it's out. Now it should come off.
Yeah. Screw didn't come out. Oh, there's a dead fly.
A dead fly.
You selling me a dead fly?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a ribbon.
There's always the one screw. Yes.
Can we get this off here?
Yeah, you always miss one screw.
You can unplug these, I think.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay, that one's off. That one's off. Right, we have the lid off.
Yeah, careful.
Oh, be careful, please.
Yeah,
Please be careful.
I was going to do this.
Found the bug. Yeah.
Yeah, the bug.
Right,
Okay.
the lid's off.
Yeah, okay, so we're in it, and the power supply is separated, like it should be. Good. good work, Optoma. It's right down there. So my guess is the power supply that went, obviously.
I would say it's the power supply that went bang as well.
Let's see, there are 2 screws that hold that in, and one here, and probably one on the other side, and that should lift out.
I see a plug here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the power plug.
Okay.
To the board.
So this should, okay, so if it's not too difficult, we can lift it out and we see.
Yeah, you can check. Here. Here's the wire. No, that's another one.
Think about residual voltage, please.
No, there won't be. Well,
Marcel brought this up right now. And you're right, Marcel. Yeah.
Good point, Marcel. No.
yeah, but it's Carlos doing this. I'm not too worried.
You're taking my life. It's on a board for a small camera monitor that quits displaying picture. The power light and the lights still function, but there's no picture. Can plug the RCA into TV and it shows a fine picture. Still.
So does the camera only have RCA output, or does it have other outputs?
Warwick suggests, is there any smoke damage on the lid?
Oh,
You
what
just
the hell
remove, so-
Good point. I haven't checked.
Yeah, and Anthony asked, does it smell burned?
It doesn't. This doesn't smell burnt.
Nothing inside the case either.
No, nothing really.
Are you sure this was what?
Are you sure this is what went
bang?
bang?
Yeah, and not her PSU or something else.
Something else that went bang in the room.
Because looking at this, I don't see any damage at all.
I was there, man.
So it was definitely this thing that went bang.
She didn't have a PSU or something?
Why would she have
Or a UPS, I mean.
Why would she have that one?
I don't know, schools sometimes do stupid shit.
No. She simply has a computer on her desk.
Yeah, okay. Schools do stupid shit sometimes.
And this computer was
This
still
isn't a
working.
school. She's a English teacher. So,
Oh, okay.
not in school.
Okay. She's not in the school environment. Okay.
Did the power trip out when it went bang?
No, luckily not. Luckily not.
Power did not trip out.
So it didn't short to ground.
And you don't know if the fuse went in the lead. No, there probably isn't a fuse in the lead. It's near you.
Maybe the fuse went bang.
No, there wouldn't be a fuse in the lead.
No, not in the lead. But
I think
in
the what's this thing? The
What the hell?
Oh,
you were the one who was last in there. What the heck?
what is that?
That's the grounding strap for the light cover.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I unscrewed it and it came off.
Okay. Well, you unscrew this. Fair enough.
But it's covered. So
Oh, it's insulated. So what does it do?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's, okay then.
Okay, so what happened?
Yes.
That's off.
That has a screw there. Obviously, there's always screws everywhere on these things.
Marcel, remember where you are taking the screws from? Yeah, I'm so with you.
I'm good at that.
I can't do this without having a 4 sheet of paper with
Some sticky pads on.
sticky pads on
And a drawing.
No, I don't draw. I simply orientate them the same way I get them out as a machine.
Yeah.
If I open notebooks, for example,
Well, I mean, a rough drawing.
yeah.
Yeah, that's how I do.
Okay, so is this connected there or? No?
Yeah, this was safety earth.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys. I bumped the camera. Let's see.
I don't think we can easily. So
No, so I think you need to lift out the entire board. Take this out to the side.
No, come on, this
That's
this is way beyond the scope of this.
Yeah, that is-
Wait, beyond the scope of a live broadcast.
Yeah.
But I actually can't see any damage inside.
No, I don't see any damage either.
And I don't smell anything
I
inside.
don't smell anything either.
So let's put it together and hook it into the power and see what happens.
So fuck. Sorry for my French.
So you're going to pull it in and see what it does?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see if it's shorted
Okay,
completely or...
I'll get a power lead.
Yeah. That's pretty much. Get your safety power supply thingy.
The what?
The one with the lamp.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't leave our viewers without any any video at all.
Oh, you mean screws left, Dutch? So, okay, yeah. So what I normally do when I have a notebook or something that I need to unscrew, I get enough A4 sheet and I tape a big
Yeah, that's
double-sided sticky tape on that, and simply put the little screws on the sticky tape so it stays at the same place. And you know, it's a rectangular, so probably the same rectangle there. And then from there on,
that works.
this is easy.
I have good memory for this stuff. As long as I do it the same time, I don't leave it for a week.
I don't know if the French pronounces the same as us. I don't know. I'm German, you know.
Right, so this is the.
I don't know where this went actually. It just was like this.
What?
I need 2 power leads for this. What am I gonna do with
To be honest, this one confused me. Oh
This is a holder. This is just to hold down some.
yeah, I think it's to hold this down.
Yeah, this is just.
that? You don't need to screw that back in just to
But
test it, do you?
that's freaking stupid.
You don't need to put all totally together to test it, do you?
No.
Says, Carlos, just wait. Good memory. Haha. Not for long.
No.
Get into your age.
I can actually say that it's
Okay.
getting worse. Yeah.
You guys, have any more questions for us? Well, I was just trying to put this back together.
You're taking my life is still on. It was working once before, and I was checking voltages and my lead slipped and barely bumped into the capacitor, and the monitor started working again. Thought maybe bad joint or internal short. Sounds like something like that.
Like a dry joint or something.
Yeah. Okay, so putting in
The bulb.
yeah. I'm just wanting to know where this fell off from. Did it break? No.
No. Well, does it fit down here somewhere?
I think it was here, like a cover. Yeah, yeah, there was. Okay, is there a screw here somewhere that holds it in that I haven't screwed in yet? Yeah,
You haven't screwed with, you mean?
Yeah. Ah, this was loose. Ah, okay. It just goes here like a shutter. Okay, not needed for now.
Okay, right. So we put the bulb in.
Yep.
Okay.
This is really bright, so don't look straight at it.
What the current limit on it?
Oh yeah, they won't turn off. Turn on. Yeah. This is about 300 watts.
Yeah, this is only 65 watt bulb or something. Okay, so.
It's off.
No, yeah. So you need to put power into this thing.
Yeah.
So I try to
power goes into this.
Screen here, guys. If you suddenly disappear, then fuse blown and.
No, if you suddenly disappear, then my current limiter isn't working properly. So it's a limit.
That too, yeah.
So this should be fine.
Okay. I keep my fingers away from the power supply. That's that way. Doesn't work.
Okay, right. Ready?
Yeah. Go.
We switch this on, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the bulb came on and then dim and then went off.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Inrush.
So it's not going to go
Caps
bang.
on charge properly.
It's not going to go bang. Also, we can skip the.
Put it on the mains.
Keep it on and try to power it on.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you probably need the top current to power this on.
Okay, I've switched it
Oh
off.
yeah, I have to hook in the connector.
I've switched off at the moment.
Yep. And
remember, now there will be
I need the top cover.
Sorry?
Yeah. Now I can touch the components. I know.
Please don't. Well, please sit somewhere where we don't judge.
One top cover.
Yeah.
A couple of little leads and ribbon cable.
Where do these go? Ah, it's for the IR sensor. Okay, that doesn't need.
The bang was something else. See, I was standing.
I'm thinking the bang was something else.
I was standing right beside the thing.
Yeah.
The bang absolutely came from the thing, man.
Okay, so it could be. I don't discard it completely, obviously, because it's old. It's been used quite a lot. I did change the bulb, like I said, 20 hours ago, or 20 use hours ago. It was like 2-3 years ago.
Right, so the ribbon cable's on.
Yep, there it's on.
The top's on. So you want to plug this back in now?
Yep.
On limits. And it should get a bit.
Just in case.
We're on.
Yeah.
What's happened?
Nothing yet.
Nope, it's dead.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. What?
It's dead. I think something's blown up on the power supply.
Yeah, pretty much. But no smell. That's what. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong button here. Sorry. Power. No. Nothing. It should turn on a dim light first. You should hear the fans go crazy, and then.
Yeah. In that case, would any of you guys be interested to see me try to repair this on my channel?
Yes.
We have an interested one. Right
Okay.
here.
Okay. I'll put down as a repair on my channel. Okay. Okay, boss. Yeah, great. Right. So that's done with.
Do you want me to put it together, or you want?
If you can kind of put it into some sort of state where I know what goes where.
Okay. Yeah, sure. That should be fine.
I don't really
Well,
want
it obvious. This is a really good life hack. Yeah. First thing to check before you work on live equipment is: do you have clean underpants on? You may not have much time to change them.
If you get a shock from this thing.
No, if you're dead, you can't change them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this thing broke. The mount.
Well, I tell you, if you know how it goes together, don't bother put it together. I need to get the power supply.
Yeah. No, so you need.
I need to get the power supply.
Yeah, it has a small peg. That's why.
So what we need is a bag to put the bits in.
Yeah, pretty much. So we don't lose all the parts. So this was working a few days before.
Is that suitable?
Detlef tested.
It up.
Yeah.
What did you mean?
It was working.
You killed me.
Yeah.
What you're saying is
tried to kill me.
it was working until Detlef blew it up.
Yeah.
See, guys, this is how it goes.
Yeah. It was working until Detlef blew it up.
It's all the electronics. It can happen at any moment to any piece of electronics that has a power supply. I have old video games like the Vectrex. They just die from one day to another.
Okay.
Mr. Absolina, I think these are for something different. Looks like IR, and I'm guessing no, it's a happy speaker. So probably IR.
Yeah, the head has an IR strip right here, so it's exactly.
These would be the two that weren't connected, I think.
And I think it has two IR inputs actually.
Yeah.
So it has one when it's on the ceiling, so you can reach it from underneath. And
Warwick says, I thought I saw a small orange flash in the middle when you had the UT on the limiter.
The limiter lit up and went out.
Yeah,
it was only lit up dimly, so it didn't draw much power.
There's no light here per se. It's on the. It's on the.
I think it was a reflection of the bulb.
Yeah, it's on the actual board on this. The light that comes on is here.
Okay.
Actually, you see it through the sides. So the light is on this board, and this was on the side. So.
Well, Dutch has a point there. Did we check the fuse?
Yeah,
The fuse must be okay because it drew some power.
True,
Yeah.
yeah.
And we can't get to the fuse. Oh, you forgot something.
Oh, I need another bit to light.
The light.
The bulb.
And a lot of pieces of insects.
And now you can keep the bugs.
You sure? These are fly legs, the wings, and the stuff. They like the bright light, and they fly right into it. And there's in the fan hole you can see the light as well. They probably flew into the fan, and that's probably what's making the noise. Let me go throw this away. I'm not that crazy. Yeah.
So, how's everybody doing?
Yeah. Okay.
Aha.
Aha.
So I almost scared you to death with that projector.
Not me, I was laughing my ass off.
Yeah. I can believe
this
that
is for
actually.
the projector too.
So Rich found something interesting, or Detlef did. This is pretty much a laptop power supply with a granular control on it. Usually these come with the selector switch that 10, 12, 15, blah blah blah. Yeah, but this is actually useful because there are some oddball laptops and stuff that don't have a normal voltage.
So this is a variable power supply.
Yeah.
And it's a 3 amp, 24 volt.
Up to. Yeah.
Up to 3 amps, 24 volts.
From
so,
3 to 24 volts.
So the first question is it crap? Because you paid €6 for this, Dad?
Not even 6, yeah.
Not even
€5 something Detlef paid for it.
Yeah. Chinese quality. Can you plug it in and show the people?
For a laptop testing. Oh yeah.
Ooh, high quality.
High quality legs on there.
Yeah. Molded around 2 pins.
Oh, look, the one from USB LED strips. Marcel, you could be right there.
Yeah, it could work for that.
But you wouldn't need multiple voltages on this one, because this is actually
This is probably for testing laptops. I think.
Well,
it seems to be that way.
shall we switch it on?
Yeah,
Oh, please.
go for it. So minimum voltage.
Yeah. So the thing I don't like about this is it won't go below 3.48 volts. So I don't think it's much use for like short finding and stuff like that.
No, it's not. You compare it with something else to do it.
Yeah, 15 volts. So yeah. So it goes up to 24.
Yeah. So as rated on the box, it said 3 to 24. So okay, it's not really 3 volts, but yeah, good enough. For testing, like I said, electronics, laptops.
The Magic Hobbyist. We check this out in a minute.
Okay.
What was it?
Patrick.
What does embedded say? What does he suggest?
For the €7, you get a extra 0.00000000002 millimeter of isolation between you and the mains.
So what I was wondering is it worth making a little variable constant current circuit that you plug onto this? Something probably using like an op amp and a MOSFET, or a TL431 and a MOSFET, and then we could effectively have variable voltage and variable current, and you could use it for short finding.
Yeah, that's one way to do it. The other way is the other thing you have.
There is the other thing that I have.
Warwick has a big insight here. The bigger the writing, the bigger the quality.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, no, okay, I see your point. Yeah, that's a usual Chinese thing. Yeah.
Well, I suppose the first question is, can it supply 3 amps?
Yep,
Well,
that was
my
next
first
one.
question would be what happens when it gets short-circuited, because if it blows directly, then it's not used to anything. I would do a short-circuit test first.
Okay, do you have something to short circuit
I'm
this
sure
one?
I do have something to short circuit that one.
Or simply get an amp meter that can do 10 amps and simply try to find out what the current is when it gets short-circuited.
Oh yeah, it can actually just handle 3 amps. Yeah, okay, yeah, fine.
Well, you have a meter there.
Good point. I don't know what it is.
I have it.
Yeah, okay.
It's safe stopping you stabbing yourself in the leg with it.
Yeah.
When left
Will these leads handle 10 amps?
Yeah, they will.
So,
They
yeah.
will.
Save you stabbing yourself in the leg when you're left unattended with short
Okay,
things.
so-
Can't
Good
put-
blood on there.
Let's go here.
Into
Come
amps.
on.
And then we want amps range.
Yeah, then that's over here, right? No,
Amps.
there. And yeah, let's go for gold.
So shall we just set it so we can see it?
But master a naked ripple test, I don't think that is really a good thing. Because if I would build a circuit that runs on this, I probably have a cap on this anyway. So
Ready?
Okay, you're done.
boom,
It switches off.
It's turned off.
turn it off.
Oh, it came back on again.
Okay,
So it has
Wait a
protection.
second.
okay. I
Oh, it
like
goes
this.
back on again.
At 2.24.
24.
I like
It's on
this.
24
I
volts.
like this. So it detects a short circuit, and yeah, good.
And it's over current. Okay, so can we limit the current we're pulling?
Well, if we stick a resistor onto it,
Yeah,
so
at 3
we,
volts.
we want to draw 3 amps
Yeah, exactly.
before we get up to this. So if we use something like, let me see what values I've got.
Yeah, 3 amps.
Well, you want a resistor that's about 1/3 of the voltage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Basically speaking.
Yeah.
So let me see
So-
what I can
So
find.
better than expected already for €7.
You're taking my life, guys. Will you please tell Richard thank you for helping me? I watch all his videos, and I think it's awesome that he shares his years of knowledge with us.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
you know.
I agree. That's how I met him.
I have some resistors here.
Sharing is caring.
Okay, okay. So this is a 4 ohm resistor.
Okay.
So that should give 3 amps at about 12 volts.
Okay, go for it.
So we want some.
solder and wire or clips.
Paul
clips.
says use the mini-wire load. You got a mini-wire load?
No, it's a power supply, not a load.
Okay, it's a load. Okay.
Oh,
But
use
you
our.
could-
Use our.
You could use the thing. You know?
I'll use our load.
Yeah, the
You know,
multi-load.
Yeah, you have
Multi-load
multi-load,
thing,
yeah.
I could use multi-load.
Yeah, let's go multi-load. This time we use another project for testing everything. It's not getting hot at all, but of course we're not
right
pulling
now it doesn't do anything. Yeah.
any
So,
amps.
yeah, then,
No, but I have had power supplies like this, the cheap bricks for laptops that actually get hot without doing anything.
So here is multi-load.
So, yeah,
So we need to connect power to here and here.
yeah,
And we need, then we can just alter the load with this.
yeah,
So we need some leads to connect from this to that.
yeah.
Right, let me just find a suitable connector.
So banana plugs
Yeah,
incoming.
I'm getting there.
Uh,
We'll have to put something together to do this. So we
Yeah.
need, first of all we need a, and then I want a socket.
Can we get this on the top camera? I think because
Yeah, sure.
then you have all the things in there. If
Yeah.
you bring it a bit down, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Bring you over to the other camera.
Yeah, so I can see what I'm doing.
Ooh, look at this! Way better camera. Way
Come
better.
on, autofocus. Come.
And there's
Buddy.
autofocus. I just switched it off. Wait a sec.
Ah, okay, yeah,
I'll bring us back.
So this will go into here.
yeah. Okay, yeah, good.
Then we need some thicker wires.
Yeah, because I was going to tell you 3 amps.
So this is positive and ground.
Yeah.
So we need some leads.
Mhm.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, before you ask, this was the wire he gave me. 3 amps on a Cat 5 wire. No, I don't think so.
Yeah, well that's obviously for some,
Told you to see the scary episode.
that's for some previous. That's for some.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I know. Just messing with
So
you.
that belongs to some previous application.
Yeah, I was guessing the same thing.
Okay, let's find you 2 bits of wire.
Yeah.
One moment.
A little thicker, please.
Yeah.
Let's have a look on the bench. Isn't this Adrian? Yeah, I think it is. Red Magic Smoke. I hope not. I think I really like the slim design there. You know, me as a minimalist, I always think, okay,
Cut some bits off this.
if I need more than 24 volts and more than 3 amps, probably my CPUs are burning.
So do you know which is positive and negative?
Yeah. Let's go for
a yellow and black, red and black.
Red and black.
Man in black? What?
We need some leads. Okay, we have some leads.
Yep.
These should handle 3 amps.
And Richard's tip on how to strip these.
With the thing backwards.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, wrong. Right.
There we go. So instead of doing this like most people do with the sharp ends in, do it with the sharp ends out, and you get a nice pull.
Every time.
I always did this.
Yeah, but most people use this side.
Yeah.
And you actually
try it.
You cut off the the end.
Yeah.
And I didn't push in.
Yeah. Who said something about striptease? Where's the striptease?
Striptease.
Yes, please. Well, not you.
Okay. No, I don't want to strip.
Who's
I don't mind, but I don't want to.
No, please.
So it definitely does work the way I say to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should work fine.
Did somebody say beer?
Oh, somebody said beer.
Deadlift it.
We have.
You said you had beer.
Yes.
I want one of these.
You want beer?
No,
That's
no.
new.
No beer. I can't medication. But I want the screwdriver.
You can't drink beer because you're a pussy.
No, beer tastes like warm piss.
You're drinking the wrong beer, definitely.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Thanks, mate.
this week we have Corona
And of course,
and
Dorada Especial.
Dorada Especial.
Yeah, people suggesting thermal cameras for this one.
From a camera. I can't bring out my phone, I guess, if you want to see.
Oh!
Huh.
I like me turning the load the other way. It's like that.
This is right that there's a wire
hanging
in the
There's a wire. Oh, a wires fell off.
Okay, that explains the small
See,
spark.
this is a moment when we can test out the 175 watts PD supply.
Hang on, let me just solder this
No,
back
let's
on.
do
I
this.
need to put the wire back on first, man.
And what you can
Yeah,
use
what
is one of
is-
the 175 watts this things thing.
Still need to solder the wire back on.
Show your driver's license, Carlos. They want to see
Yeah.
thermal camera.
My driver's license is famous.
Okay.
There's one all over the YouTubes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Make a fake one.
You're in the Navy, okay, man. But I can't stand it now. Whoa.
Holy
I hope we haven't killed the multi-load with that wire.
I hope you didn't kill multi-load here.
Let's see. So here's multi-load again with the wire soldered back up.
That was unintentional. Sorry.
Yeah.
He scared you instead.
Yellow is VCC.
Yeah, and
Blue
is green.
is ground.
Did you test this? This is
No,
definitely the
we
right
get
way,
connected
right?
now. Go on. Sorry. Oh.
It has backwards protection as well.
Well, this doesn't.
Can we show everybody what Carlos has just done?
Yeah, I didn't look at the markings now.
He's put the red wire in the negative.
And the positive and
I hope our multi-load has reverse protection.
I think multi-load is just gone.
I think multi-load has just gone.
it was disconnected, so maybe.
No, only one of the emitter leads was
CPU
disconnected.
wasn't.
The CPU wasn't disconnected.
Oh,
I don't think we ever decided to put any reverse polarity protection on it, did we?
No.
so multi-load is dead.
Multi-load we think is a bit dead. Because Carlos put the leads in the wrong way.
Yeah,
We'll have to resurrect it now.
I took them off considering the colors on these, but yeah, of course they're brown and grey. So yeah, I didn't think about that. I don't know.
I think multi-load's dead, guys. It's at 24 volts reverse.
Let's see how fast this thing reacts to a short circuit there.
Can we turn the voltage down a bit first, please?
Maybe this is a good idea.
Okay, let's put it down to minimum. There we go.
I think this has a minimum of about 5. Sticky.
No, it says 3 on the back.
I meant this thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think it needs 5 or something. Yeah.
Bye multi-load.
Oh,
It's actually working.
The display isn't coming on.
the display isn't coming on anymore.
Yeah, no, we fried the CPU. Probably.
We
No,
fry-
this is not the CPU. This is just the USB socket.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, the CPU's fried.
the CPU is this thing.
This thing.
No.
Where?
Nothing.
Yeah, the chip is only an op amp. I'm thinking.
This is
Isn't
the display.
Is it on? The chip
I
is...
don't know if we've killed it.
We killed it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
bring,
warm.
bring it up a bit.
It's cut out.
Oh, cut out. Interesting.
Okay,
Okay.
guys. Right,
6 volts.
I'm gonna have to repair multi-load. It's not well.
Let's see.
Killed a beamer, killed multi-load. Let's see what the evening has in store.
Yeah, the op amp is getting warm.
Oh, the op amp's getting hot, is it?
The op amp is getting hot. And there's something else that's glowing red. What?
Where?
The resistor down there.
That's the current limiting resistor.
Yeah,
perfect.
it's
Okay,
it's really warm.
Right,
It's like 90 plus degrees, so don't touch it.
SI voltage asked, what thermal camera do you have there?
what did you do, man?
This is the Blackview phone. Blackview BL8800 Pro, and it has a built-in FLIR fog camera on the back. I got this out of Richard after he did a review on it. He has a review on his channel. It's pretty affordable. It's a complete phone. Obviously, it's rugged. It's really durable, and it has a big battery inside.
Yeah.
And it costs 300 new.
I also reviewed the later model of that as well.
Tim suggests we make an Mark II and it should be colors proof. Yeah.
Yeah, it should have reverse protection.
Okay, so-
Patrick, I can't remember which microcontroller is on there. For the life of me, I can't.
We'll have to remember.
I think the chip, the 8-pin chip, is simply an op amp. I think.
Give me some more.
And on the
clip leads so we
display is
can
something
do that. Oh, I can.
80 tiny something.
Yep.
I really have to look at my own YouTube video to find out what we did there.
YouTube videos are very good for reference. Actually, that's why I made the last video I did on the Evolve, Jabra Evolved headphones. So there is a reference, because there is a very bad video from someone else that does practically the same thing, but he doesn't explain anything. He just rips it apart. And you just take this off, and if you do that, you do what Richard did and rip one of the connectors off. So that happens. Okay, so there we go.
So we have a resistor. So we have this set to 6 volts.
You maybe want to.
We want the current meter. So we need
Yeah.
the multimeter on amps.
Yes.
Positive into here.
Yeah.
Now we have the shot.
Okay, we have positive.
So, yeah, I found we need
Does this work? No, they
No,
don't.
clip that onto there.
Yeah.
And then I need to clip the other end of the multimeter. This I have to get another crocodile clip with attached to there. See?
I remember when. What was your name? Crocodile Rock? No, Crocodile Cliff. I can't remember.
Move the meter leads. Yeah, it doesn't have power yet. Oh yeah, it does.
Okay, so let me just find a decent crocodile clip with. Well, try that one.
Yep.
So that goes from the other end of the multimeter to one end of the resistor.
Yep.
And then you can connect the other end of the resistor to
That one.
that one.
Wait, where does this go?
Into the meter.
Is the resistor reverse polarity protected?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hang on. The meter lead goes into amps.
There we go. Now we should be fine.
Go on. So we have 0.6 of an amp.
This is one of these days, right?
Yeah. So we have 0.6 of an amp.
At 3 volts.
Which is about right, because it's a 4 ohm resistor.
Yeah.
So if we go up to like...
Yeah, Carlos, I see you. Your message is showing up. Yeah.
There's another Carlos?
No, Cartha.
Yeah.
Sorry, Cartha. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, so we have just over an amp at 5 volts.
Yeah, okay.
So you want to keep... So we should go up to 3.
Yeah, 3 amps at 24.
It's about 12 volts.
That's 1.5 amps, so that's
Bring it
fine.
on.
Obviously, there's some resistance in the leads as well.
Will
Yeah,
that
we
resistor get very hot and burn your table?
Let's think about it. So 3 amps through a 4 ohm with 12 volts across it. Yeah, it'll get very hot.
Yeah,
It will.
yeah, it will.
Yep,
That,
yep.
That's what I was thinking. So let's hold it up, maybe.
I
There we
think
go.
the meter goes up for after 1 amp. Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold it. You spin up the current.
How warm is it?
It's probably
Oh yeah, I can feel it.
it's 70 degrees or so.
Okay, so if we go up to 3 amps, it should trip out. That's 3 amps.
Is there?
Yeah.
Keep going. 3.3, 3.5.
So the limit is
Dave,
way
this-
over.
This is what we normally do.
4 amps.
Whoa.
It's actually better than
Oh,
rated.
it cut out at about 4.5.
Nice.
So it's better than the rated amperage.
It's better than the rated amperage.
Yeah, but now I want to really see what after the load what's happening with the ripple on this.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
we need
this could
something
be, yeah.
metallic to put
Okay,
this on
so
while we measure the ripple then.
I think it might
we
be
can
in
do this.
watts. I think the same. Tulip.
Yeah,
Yeah, I have something.
yeah, you have something perfect.
Oh yeah, it starts to smell like burning resistors. Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't run it for too long.
No, of course not. There we go.
Just clip it into there.
Yep. The idea was not burn your table.
72 watts.
72 watts, and that resistor isn't rated at 72 watts.
No.
Springs. Good evening.
So
my
we don't
friend.
need to run it at the max,
No.
really, to measure.
Well,
the
we can run it for a short time.
Yeah.
What kind of scent do you get, mate? What kind of scent do you get? Let me know. Come.
Oh,
The other guys aren't interested in this.
there is an interesting smell.
See, told you.
It
Is it
smells,
coming from the resistor or the power supply?
it smells like burnt ceramics.
The power supply is well. There's some warmth somewhere in there, but nothing.
No, and not even 20.
Get
Rory,
get the thermal camera on the.
What you
on
can't
the
what
resistor.
can't you see, man? Use a self-fusing resistor. Yeah, that's probably a good idea for.
Oh, we're going to play with that self-fusing resistor.
Okay.
I'll get that. Thank you. Okay.
That resistor can handle 300 Celsius. Okay, so we have some. Well, that doesn't feel like 300. This is
120 after it's been
This is shortly before you can melt solder on this one. Wow.
How hot is it?
120 still. So
Wow.
do not touch it.
No, that's hot.
And the power supply is not even above 30 degrees.
Well, I'll tell you what then. Why don't we stick?
There's a hot
Right,
spot.
why don't we put this resistor on,
A 33.
which is a 100 watt resistor,
Mhm.
2 ohms. So obviously it's half the voltage, about 12.
So we should run it at half the.
Yeah, we should run the voltage that is about half of what we had. Is
Yeah.
that?
Okay, this is still 120 degrees. What do we want to do with it?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'll pull off that alligator clip here. You can hold it. There you go.
So what are we going to do with it?
Just put it on your bench. You should have a metallic
GX100,
plate somewhere.
yeah. I remember having one of those.
Something metal, just so it doesn't burn you. Oh, maybe a rubber mat, really. 120 should be fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Happy for you, mate. Springs. Get to the X100. Let me know when you're doing some music on this one.
Oh, music stuff.
Yeah.
I am completely unaware.
I know you are.
I am tone deaf like hell.
Back in the days, I had a Casio CZ3000. That was a very, very weird synthesizers on this one.
Okay, so we have a higher wattage resistor, although it probably needs a heat sink.
And a D50. I was the roller, not the Yamaha.
So how are we going to measure the ripple with the oscilloscope?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be in line, really.
No.
So we can just measure
What's
on the
the
actual resistor. I was thinking of this can act like a little
Little heat sink.
heat sink, yeah.
Yeah, good idea. So this is additional heat sink.
Yeah, see, I'm more the piano player, not the music sound creator guy. So
Yeah.
I'm more into playing the piano or something.
Yeah,
Sorry, we're talking about music here.
yeah, no. I noticed. I just want to hold this carefully so that I don't burn his table, because that's going to happen if
Yeah.
we are going to do this. Do we need to measure the amperage at the same time?
Well, we can do because I want to see what we're putting through it.
Yes.
So we want to see the amperage,
People want to see the amperage too. Yeah.
and we want
Yeah.
to see the and we want the
Rory,
From
is
Mexico.
this in shot for you now?
Can you bring down one of the oscilloscopes down there? One of the 20.
We shifted the
Hey,
oscilloscope.
what happened to?
I've turned it off.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good.
Oh, there's an oscilloscope left for you.
There's an oscilloscope.
Rory, thank you. I was just thinking because over here I see everything here. I'm a bit cut off today because, this is
He's on the side there. The camera is slightly pointing to my and Richard's side. I don't know why.
So I have 1 amp at 3.3 volts.
I hear it beep. I hear a whine from this.
I have a Roland E piano. All my synths are. When I came up
That's
to the
going to
island,
be a
I got
horrible
rid of all
ripple,
the synths.
by the
So
way.
sorry. And this was back in the 80s, man. So
Uh,
really in
no
the
need.
80s, yeah. So you know, Roland keyboards, Yamaha keyboards, Casios, all the drum machines things, Ataris to the brim.
Ataris.
So-
Oh no,
sorry.
they're here, Reg. It's me.
You have the leads.
Yeah, they're here.
Have you got the clips on the leads and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, we can use this thing.
Yeah, that works fine.
Oh, and, hang on, this is like a small one, and this has the. No, that's for the signal generator.
No.
So you want some scope leads?
Yeah.
Okay, scope
That's not with you. That's that you can
scope,
play
yeah.
any instrument with keys you want. Not with you. I like playing guitar.
Yeah, it
and
needs
keyboard
a
and
BNC
drums.
scope.
I got a Caron, by the way. I got a Caron. So there's my. I'm back to drums.
Drums.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Still tone deaf. I can play a Guitar Hero without.
This I can't.
I can turn off the music even and play it.
Amiga 1200, never, my friend. We always went for Ataris because they had all the MIDI things and they got good sequences on there. So no, Ataris, Atari ST to the rescue.
I had the Amiga.
I know you had.
The Amiga.
Right.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? I've lost track here. What you
Yeah,
doing.
Look at the ripple.
ripple measurement
Ripple measurement.
with a
Oh,
big,
ripple.
beefier resistor.
Yeah.
But
Well, it's only 2 ohms this one. So.
I heard the coil whine from this when we turned it on. So
But the Atari had MIDI on board. No finicky external thingamajigs. No, sorry, mate. Atari didn't suck.
Press the button.
I did. I don't know. You have to hold it in.
Okay, so
Springs where I located.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
So hang on, we need to be able to see this, guys.
Yeah, that's what
And we can't set in the
ground clip. Come on, get
Tim has an Atari. Tim, you're my man.
Atari.
Yeah.
And we clip this there.
and now we need to set this to channel 1.
Yeah.
Is this set to 10 times or 1 times?
Good question. 10 times.
Okay.
Should I set it to 1?
Yeah, set it to 1 time.
Yeah.
Robert.
Okay. Now we have some.
Yeah, get this in shot, maybe, guys.
Yeah.
When you
we are.
get this set up,
We promise. Okay, let's move stuff. Okay, so we have a big
Let's
fat.
flat on the ground. Yeah, thank you.
We have a big fat resistor. This is placed in series, so it can measure the amperage. Yeah.
And this resistor is a 2 ohm resistor.
Yeah. So this will produce more heat.
No, the wattage will be the same. It's just as a lower voltage.
Yeah, it depends on the
The
voltage.
thing will cut out at about 12 volts now, you would think.
Yeah, instead of
Yeah. Okay.
And we have the ripple measurement right there.
So we're on 10 millivolts on.
And
the
when we
ripple.
turn this off, turn this on before.
Oh, would you like this, by the way? Look, you can drag the trace around
That's
your
sexy.
finger.
That's nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Too bad
Anthony, exactly.
mine
yeah.
doesn't have that.
This is why all the studios had the Atari
Okay,
back in the
Just
days.
switch on the lowest voltage.
Yeah, I'm going to. It's on.
Ooh,
1 amp.
Ooh. Okay,
That's
that's
a
nasty, nasty.
Can we just hit the auto button?
Yeah. Yeah, it should find the medium ground there.
There's lots of ripple, guys.
Yeah, so it's not clean, and this is whining like hell. You can't hear it, but it's really, really beep, a loud whine.
1 amp.
And let me see if I can get a better shot of the oscilloscope over there. Okay, this was the wrong thing there.
Look at that.
Ooh, nasty.
That's horrible.
What do you get? What's peak to peak? I can't read this.
Peak to peak average is 75
75 millivolts.
millivolts.
Wow, 75 millivolts per division.
No! It's on 10 millivolts per division.
Yeah, so it's 75
And this
total.
thing is a bit. No, it's not too hot yet.
Yeah, it's,
1 amp or something. Okay.
yeah. Let's drive it up to double.
Just,
Let's go to 5 volts. That,
whoa, look at this!
we have a ringing, a really strong ringing. At same average though.
What's the frequency?
50.
Kenneth.
50 to 40 volt, 50 to 40 hertz, kilohertz.
Oh, so this is mains. What's going on there?
But it's kilohertz.
Oh, kilohertz. All right. So okay.
What is it? Well, yeah.
Yeah, kilohertz. Yeah, 50 to 60 kilohertz.
50 to 60 kilohertz with lots of ripple,
Yeah.
and that's at 2 amp. Let's go.
Let's go to 3 amp. That's the max rated.
Whoa! No, it doesn't make. Oh, the happy clappers are in the church.
Yeah. Sorry when you hear.
So that's
it's not me. Not me playing something.
That's its rated.
Yeah. This is switching frequency, Carther.
Yeah.
So the output cap is probably not big enough. So
Yeah. So
it breaks down. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you put a big cap at output, this should be fine actually, because it's somewhat stable, even if it's at high ripple.
Can we get the thermal camera on that resistor? I want to see how hot this actually is.
Yeah. Sure. Let's go for it. Flare.
Hog sensor, polytron, polythins. Oh. Springs, why are you located? I have to visit you. I have to visit the studio there.
How hot is that resistor?
Let's see. 0.8. It's about 63. So it's not even getting that hot.
Okay.
It's no, wait. That's metal. That could be showing the wrong. The wrong.
Don't burn your fingers.
Yeah, do not touch it.
It knows, you can feel heat coming from it, but it's not like really.
No, it's about 70 degrees.
That's 70 degrees.
Yeah, so that's correct actually.
So if you go up to about 4 amps or so, it should cut out that thing.
Yeah, 4.5. It cut out the last.
So 3.7, 3.8. This is getting 4.1. 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.7,
keeps going.
4.8, 4.9. This is 5 amp.
Jumping around like hell though.
Wow! Whoa!
It cut out.
It cut out about 5.1 amps or 5.2 amps.
Yeah.
So it can actually supply. Look, at the ripples all around the way now. So it was ripple from the thing.
Yeah, it's a ripple. Yeah.
Wow.
50 kilohertz ripple. Yeah, you could probably smooth that out.
I smell burning resistor.
Okay, so guys, crap or not crap for €5 something?
It's usable for some cases.
You know what? Not crap.
Yeah.
I would say not crap.
And it has mounting holes even for wall mounting and stuff.
I wasn't going for the non-crap for the mounting holes. I would go in for if you got a circuit that's powered by this thing.
Yeah.
It probably has an input filtering anyways.
Yeah. True.
So it will. If I would design something, I wouldn't.
Good crap. Yeah, that's the perfect.
Good crap.
It's good crap.
Yes. Thank you.
It's good crap. Okay.
Good
So
crap,
can I disconnect this up there?
Yeah. Do that, and I'll unhook this.
Do you guys like our new oscilloscope we're now using for the live chat?
Robert was asking which of the Finerzi things you prefer.
This one.
This one's really nice. This is the.
Where's Robert?
So
Robert
this
was
one.
somewhere here.
Yeah.
Robert Waterfield. Yeah, sorry, I saw your thing, but Richard was so much into that.
Okay, what was the question?
Which of the Finerzi scopes you prefer?
This one's nice. This panel one, and the big desktop one as well.
Oh yeah. And then there's no competition.
But I also use.
But this is a two channel one, right?
That's a 2-channel one.
Yeah, so that's good enough.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna use that one more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it has a signal generator, this one as well, so that helps.
This is the one I usually use on my channel.
There's a camera.
Yeah, so that's what I normally use, a 2C23.
Yeah.
But I think I'm going to probably
2C53P.
Yeah, this is a 2C53P, the panel one. And I have a new Finerzi one to review.
Springs, you know what? One of these days we're going with England with Richard to England, with Julie to England, and we'll come around, visit you. Maybe on a day where it's not raining or something.
This is the new one I have to review. I'm going to review to the next week.
Ooh, preview!
Yeah, 50 megahertz, dual channel.
50 megahertz, that's good.
Yeah, so that's a new
multimeter, okay. So this is one of the combined. Does this amperage? Does this do current?
Does what do current?
The one you just had there.
The scope meter?
Yeah,
yeah, I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will.
You sure you know?
Yeah, I'm sure it will. I haven't looked, but I'm sure it will.
So guys,
here are the leads for that one.
open this up is probably destructible. So
Yeah, no, it's
I won't-
molded around.
yeah, I won't ask the people if we want to see what's inside here
Because he wants to use it.
Yeah, I want to use this really. Yeah.
Yeah, no, and I agree. That's good enough. Bring out the other thing that does the same as this power supply.
Is it going with that? These multimeter leads.
Yeah, it has multimeter outputs on the side.
Oh, do you have?
This is a scope meter. You're right. That's 10 amp.
Yeah.
So this is actually a scope meter.
Good.
Tablet. I like
Oh,
this
yeah, no,
one because you can drag the things around with your finger on the screen. It's quite nice.
No, Dutch. We won't open this up. Even if you say it's crap, I don't care because for me, you know,
He has a use for it.
It's always what you want to do with that. If I have a microcontroller that needs 5 volt or 12 volt, I'm normally fine with 100 milliamps. So way oversized for me.
And 75 millivolt
If,
ripple is fine.
if the thing draws 5 amps, then my microcontroller is probably burning.
Yeah, you have a small fire, yeah.
On the shelf then?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's leave the these leads and leave the multimeter. We're going to look at the other one you have.
Which one?
the other thing.
Module. There.
This module.
Yeah. So that does practically the same as the.
Yes, please, live jam. I bring a guitar.
Yeah. So I forgot to bring mine. The one I did. But Richard found one of these.
This camera.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Well, I'll get you to the other camera. So now we're back to normal things.
So this is a buck boost converter. It takes voltage in on the
It
back.
was better under the camera.
Yeah, actually.
Go back to it was better under the camera there.
Overhead.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm a bit distracted.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. So this is a buck boost converter. So it takes voltage in and spits voltage out. Pretty much. No, nothing special. I built a small box for something similar, but this does the same as the other power supply we just had.
But this was about 13 or 15 euros.
Yeah, so these are more expensive actually. So if you need granular control and constant current, these are better obviously. You can pair this with that and get a good power supply actually.
You sure?
Yeah, these are very, or the one I have is very clean power out.
Okay, shall we try it?
Yeah.
Remember when you were charging the car battery? You probably can use the thing for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I normally use my bench power supply.
But,
Sure.
yeah, but this works. This is if you have a small unit. Yeah, it's,
but, you know-
you can hold it now.
You know, for €5, you charge
That's not
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
not bad at all. I would use one.
It's good crap.
Yeah, it's good crap. Perfect. Perfect description. So let's put in some power to this. We can use your good crap for this.
Oh, the good crap. Sorry. Here's the good crap.
So voltage in. We're in plus. This time it's
And I would guess that
And
this
how are you going to connect? Where are you
is
gonna connect
somewhere
this to?
around there.
Right, okay.
that's the
Don't-
power in.
For €7, I'm not expecting precision there. So.
No, of course not.
Todd asked, Rich, did you get the hot tweezers already?
No, still waiting.
Okay, they're still on the way. Yeah.
Yeah, postage to Canarias can be a pain in the ass.
They are coming, they're on the way.
Yeah. I get stuff that shouldn't be stopped by customs all the time. What's this? I don't understand what this is.
Oh, cost, we're going to have to do a review of this CO2
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah, I
I
remember.
keep forgetting about it.
Yeah,
So-
same here. The other day I remember that. Wasn't Richard going to call me?
Yeah, I was. I got a bit distracted.
Yeah, I need 2 more leads out.
What for? Output.
Power out.
What, do you want some more bits of wire?
Yeah, we have it over here.
We have it here, yeah. And you have the cutters there, so you have everything you need.
Yep. There and black.
Embedded hobbyist can't beat an analog power supply for low noise. Absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely. Yeah.
True.
Can't be too what?
Even digital displays on analog power supplies produce less noise.
Can I ask all you guys a question here? So everybody says that for a bench power supply you need a linear power supply because it's low noise. And I would say that every laptop and computer out there which are extremely sensitive pieces of equipment are running off an ATX power supply or a laptop power supply,
Yep.
which is switch mode.
And very
there
noisy.
can't be anything much more sensitive than a PC motherboard.
Yeah.
So why do we need the linear one? I don't get it.
People telling you.
Oh, check the polarity.
Check the polarity.
I was guessing.
Yeah.
And I did.
Yeah. Yeah, after you kill multi-load.
Yeah.
So we need the CPU for multi-load and the display probably.
You needed something to do.
We have PCBs for them because we ordered multiple of them.
We have multiple.
You are really lazy today. You know that?
Yeah, I know.
Using one of these motorized screwdrivers.
I gave him. Yeah, so we need the CPU. We probably need a display.
Yeah.
Oh, SI voltage. I on the local flea market, I brought a Roland drum machine thingamajig. Some really weird thing because plus and minus 10 volt in. Got the schematics, so okay, this gets down to 5 and plus minus 5, but it has weird filtering in there, so 9 would be fine.
Yeah, perfect.
And I'll be running this thing from the PD supply, so noisy as you know. And then I have a voltage inverter on there, so 9 volt to minus 9. So this will be noisy as crap.
Yeah.
And you know what? It sounds great.
It works.
Yeah.
So you need to figure out why it sounds great. You know?
No, I don't figure it. I won't want to figure this out because it works.
Right.
Yeah.
So what you're connecting this to now? You got a short on it basically with the multimeter.
Yeah, but I'm not going to use amperage, obviously. I want to see.
You want to see what the voltage is.
Yeah, I want to see if it's accurate to the display first.
Okay.
Because mine is. So I haven't used these modules before.
So you can connect Det's power supply.
Yep, I'm going to
To
use
this
that.
module.
They're not crap power supply.
Yeah,
The good crap power supply.
yeah, because this is noisy still. It's not horrible, but it's noisy.
Yeah. Polarity is good, yeah.
Yeah, it should be. I haven't moved these.
Okay.
I didn't. Okay, no, it's good.
Okay.
Just in case. Okay, and this should turn on practically.
Do we have anything? Screaming kids! Yes, they're outside. Yeah, they are.
5 volts.
Yeah, it's the church.
They get tortured again, so sorry for the noise.
And
No light.
Polarity, right?
Yep.
You sure?
Polarity is correct.
yeah, I'm not too sure if this actually works. This thing.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't work, but mine does, like I said. But maybe it requires higher voltage in.
It's been lying around for a while. I've got a feeling this might be faulty. Which is why it's lying on my shelf.
It's probably faulty then. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Guys, sorry.
Yeah,
This is one of the episodes. You know.
yeah. I'll have to bring mine that actually works.
Okay, so that was a failure.
Yeah, it wasn't my fault this time.
Okay, that doesn't work.
Yeah.
It wasn't your fault.
No, I haven't blown it up yet. I have a working one at home. So.
You've done enough damage today already.
Yeah.
True, I
Kid of all things. Tried to murder me. Killed the
multi-load. Yeah. I'm sure multi-load will rise again.
Like a zombie?
Yeah.
No, with a bit of work.
Leave this to me.
I mean, there's not too many things.
You maybe want that. Yeah.
There's not.
That could be useful for you actually.
Yeah. You probably only killed the CPU, the display, the possibly TL431, and possibly all the output transistors.
Maybe. They keep you occupied a while.
Yeah. Guys, there's going to be a repair video on the on multi-load, I'm afraid.
So your channel is down doing repairs, Carlos.
Carlos's failures are multi-load, exploding projectors.
You can do a series with that. Carlos's failures.
Carlos's failures. Okay, well, let's do something else. So people asked on my channel, I reviewed this. This is the component tester, which does the SMDs.
Paul, we have a look at this. Promise.
And somebody said, can you tear it down and see what's inside it? So this is the thing.
Tear it down.
This is so small.
It's cool. I like it.
I only saw the video and I thought it was bigger.
No.
Aren't that small? No, they aren't that small.
If you zoom the camera, it'll be bigger.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Manual zoom. Manual zoom, make it bigger.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
So, I guess you guys saw the review of this. It wasn't perfect. It has a few issues. So, I mentioned about making some of these little adapter boards for various other types of SMD, like SOT23 and a few other things. And Det thinks it's a great idea, so we're going to actually make a few. Because all you've got is you've got the 4 connections coming in, which is like 1, 2, 3, and either anode or cathode on here. So anyway, somebody also asked, can we tear this down? And then one other thing, by the way, I mentioned on my review. You see this little thing here?
Yeah.
What's it for?
I would say programming normally, but It doesn't have anything to program.
What's that for?
Does it say SW there? No, H5.
Yeah, that socket thing. What is it for? I don't understand it. I don't know what that's
Does
for.
it go to some?
No, it doesn't go to anywhere when you plug it on here.
No, but I mean, there's no traces going to it either.
Microscope?
Yeah. Let's go.
You need to switch the thing over.
Yeah.
Press 11 to get out of the full screen.
F11.
F11 to get out of this thing.
Yeah.
And
And then OBS is down at the thing.
yeah. I see OBS.
Yeah. Go for it.
I have done. OBS.
And right click.
On what?
Oh, well, I see. The tomograph is off. The microscope is off.
Oh.
How it's on.
Yeah,
We have to hold it.
Guys, this is one of these episodes.
yeah, it's
Switch the
fine.
microscope on.
It's fine, it happens.
Right, and then we go on this. We have to go to the astral projector, don't we?
Yeah.
What is it? Right click and choose.
Right click and choose project full screen. Full
This
screen
thing here.
projection. There we go.
Oh, get us
Now you have to click on that one.
Yeah,
Macro-
Yeah, it's not easy with the touchpad.
No, I need a mouse.
Okay,
Yeah.
you got big fingers, yeah.
Okay, so this is the little adapter board.
So, but these three, they don't have any traces on this side. You can see the
Yeah.
traces quite clearly because they bulge out.
Yeah.
But on the other side, there's no traces there either.
So is it just there for like make it like sit on the machine? I don't understand really what that does. No, yeah, it goes into there.
It's.
What?
I know what it is for. It has a little peg there.
No, it's the other way around.
It's the other way around. What?
Yeah, there's a cutout in here which goes into that little peg.
Huh.
Yeah, so what's it for?
It's for holding it. Oh my god. It's a spacer.
Well, it isn't because it's narrow. It's narrower than these are.
No, but if you look
Are
here,
those going to the holes? Yeah.
it goes here. That's not as tall. So it's actually a spacer. If let's see.
Turnip thinks it's pushing for SMD components onto it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See. The
Oh,
spacer.
you mean the whole PCB? Sorry.
Yeah. It's holding.
Yeah, it's
and
holding SMD components, so it's an S for testing SMD components.
it's so it doesn't teeter on. It's just the spacer.
Could be.
Yeah, no.
It's just mechanical.
It's reaching. It's reaching the plastic.
Yeah.
So it's actually for that.
You think that thing will be stable enough without it?
Yeah,
So-
it has 4 legs, I guess.
Yeah. So I made a review of this, so you can test resistors and capacitors down to 0402, and I was holding things like MOSFETs against here, but like the MOSFETs in the VRM, they normally have like 8 pins on them, 1 gate, 3 source, and you can, if you angle it right, test them on
Drop it
this.
under the microscope. Why is tomograph going off again?
Because you get no power, I would say. So it's got no power.
No, it's green.
USB.
USB, maybe.
Oh yeah, battery's empty. It says.
Battery's empty. It's not charging.
Try to use a different thing there.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, and then the tomograph cuts off again.
Oh, that's wonderful power supply.
Yeah, the wonderful power supply that doesn't work.
That doesn't work.
Now it's
No, it's charging.
yellow.
No,
Yeah.
it's charging.
So the first port doesn't work.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Strangely enough.
Yeah. So that's the testing area. But for some like SOT23 and stuff, they're a bit awkward. So we thought, because it's only 4 connections coming to this, we could make our own little PCBs for testing various different packages.
Philip says you're doing solder and gold parts. Okay, the thing on the top right is for the Zenith, I guess.
Yeah, it is for the Zenith, yeah.
Yeah, it's a 3.
So there's 4 connections coming into it, I think, on these pins. Maybe there's 5. 2 for the Zenith and then
Yeah, but
3 more. But
it's not a bad idea, I guess.
no.
Yeah, this is for testing any devices, so diodes, resistors,
Yeah, this
caps,
tester can do whatever.
transistors.
And it worked. It worked well.
Yeah.
But anyway, somebody said, can we consider this on my review?
Yeah, we can.
And I said, yeah, let's open it up. So there's only 4 screws.
Yeah,
so let's
overhead
switch
cam
camera.
then.
On.
And this is
4 screws. Okay, go for it.
Torx.
Little torque screws.
You got 20 minutes left.
Yep.
Okay, talks to us. So after we've done this, we'll have a question and answer session, guys. So get ready with your questions.
Yeah, Springs. This is like a paste. Richard has the blue paste, right?
The blue paste.
Yeah.
Yeah. The paste. Not paste. Yeah, paste.
Paste. Yeah, sure. And
Peak.
peak. Oh, sorry, not pace. Peak.
This is like this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just cheap.
And apparently you can get an SMD adapter for this, but I've never.
That's Rudolf Hayward. If the laminate works great, there's a previous sold without a K is just bought an LCD display. Marcel, I have one of these, and you know what? Mine is about €10.
Ah, it doesn't really come out.
I saw Richard's video, and I thought, well,
This thing was €30.
yeah, this does probably mine with €10
go.
does probably 90% of what the thing does,
This
without the fancy battery and without the fancy case, of course, and without the
doesn't have
removable
the-
thing for the SMD component.
There's lots of small ones.
no, none of them fit. It's a hex. It's not a.
Marcel, this is exactly what I thought. TC1 is cheaper, yeah.
Yeah.
This.
I mean, this will test Zener diodes up to 32 volts, which is quite nice.
Yeah. The original cathode is based around an 80 mega 328, so something like an Arduino-ish thingamajig.
What's this strange size they used?
What? Frenzy is now
Ah, there we go.
doing the against right to repair thing.
Yeah. I don't even know if this
Wow,
is
the
correct.
peak thing is 119
Yeah,
Canadian
no.
dollars.
It's extremely expensive.
Ooh.
Actually, a subscriber gave that one to me because my old one was like falling to bits.
And I'm going
And
to fix the one Richard.
One guy came in one day and said, "Hey, really nice to meet you. I watch your videos all the time. I've got a gift for you," and he gave me that.
Yeah, I got Richard's old one. I'm going to 3D print a case for one of these because the old one he had, it was missing buttons. And
It's missing one button and all the the plastic
Yeah,
mount is
come on.
all broken up.
These are the kids, I mean, the DIY kids here.
yeah.
Always keep away from children.
Yeah. You've done that so far. I didn't manage.
I've done that so far. Yeah.
Patrick, I'm with you. Peak will be a very great tester, of course. But you know, I normally drop in a MOSFET to find out where's the gate, where's the source, where's the drain.
Okay. Nothing. No
Or
surprises here.
if I'm really lazy, I drop in a resistor and try to figure out, this is 10K or this is 100K?
Yeah, this will tell you the gain at different colours and quite a lot of other things. which
Oh,
might
you know,
want to
the thing...
Okay, so we have it.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
open. Do you want me to take it off completely or?
Can we look under the microscope and see what's on this side?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Should be able to. Yeah, that's focused.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a coil.
Something with the power supply.
So it's a book.
A hand soldered connector because there's a lot of flux left.
Yeah. 50 volts, so this is probably
chip.
the
It looks like a buck converter chip.
the boost for the 50
Yeah.
volts.
Over the 32 volts or 50 volts.
Yeah,
50 volts, yeah.
And it does 50. High voltage, 55 milliamps, okay.
So it has a few transistors there. The battery. This is the screen connector, I'm guessing.
Oh, this doesn't sit right? Look at this.
No, it's not. It's
so-
angled, right?
Yeah.
Let's put it parallel.
It's in.
It's in.
It's working.
Yeah, don't touch it, don't touch it. Yeah,
No,
Rich is right.
exactly. Battery connector is right there. Then the battery management stuff is on the other side.
So
I'm
we need to
guessing.
get to the other side then.
Yeah.
Okay, switch cameras.
Has 2 screws holding it in.
Uh-huh.
What? No, 3.
Don't break it, come on, this is a nice piece of equipment.
No, I won't break it. I promise.
No.
Why are you using
Hang on,
a screwdriver?
I won't-
Not the bzz, bzz.
I won't.
It didn't have the size. I needed to remove the.
These are all the same, right?
Yeah, these will fit into the screwdriver.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Right.
Just saying.
Yeah.
One of the days, these days, guys. Sorry.
I'm on drugs. So what can I say?
Oh, yeah, true, yeah.
So Carl says I won't break it. He's already destroyed.
Patrick has a
destroyed
very,
the multiplier.
very good recommendation to deconnect the battery before you do anything else. Thank you, Patrick.
On this one.
Yes,
Disconnect the battery.
there's a connector.
Okay then. I usually don't break stuff, but yeah.
Usually.
Usually. Maybe,
Today's an exception.
Yeah, can you
far.
please bring out the multi-load thing and
Yeah,
hit
yeah,
him over
yeah.
the head with this.
Carlos destroyed the multi-load.
Breaking news: cars has the wrong size. This is Dutch, not me.
yeah, I know. I heard it.
Can you get that out?
Isn't glued in? No, it's not. It's just very small and very fiddly.
Okay, you get 15 minutes to do things.
Yeah.
No.
Have you guys got any questions while Carlos is doing this?
Nope, I can't get it out without breaking it.
Okay, so it's going to stay in.
Yep.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
That was a, you know, it was a nice device. I'm very happy that you did the review already.
Removing screws shouldn't break anything.
No.
Otherwise, you're Apple. Assholes. There we go. This should pop off. Oh yeah, right.
Unplug that thing.
Yeah. Thing, yeah.
Oh, you switched
Now
it on.
switch it on.
Cool. It should pop off. Did I miss a screw?
Lon asked, and then now we have to find out how we can say this without dropping too much information. Rich, do you have any updates on the alternative channel you were asking us to call? The preview demonstration concept video, anything you can share with us?
Right, so our actress is ill.
True, yeah.
She got the flu.
The main attraction is not available to her.
The main attraction has the flu at the moment.
Okay.
And prior to that, it rained here on the day we wanted to film.
True, yeah, yeah.
Really?
So rain on Gran Canaria, please. So.
Yeah, and then the next opportunity she had the flu, and then the next opportunity that's in Germany.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be anywhere till December.
So I'll be leaving on Wednesday, and I'll probably back for the next live stream thing.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have me and Carlos.
Yeah, I'll be landing on the day when the live stream is. And,
It's about 2:30. So.
Yeah, and I hope that I'll be here when you guys go
time,
online.
Yeah.
If not, well,
There's Carlos and me.
you got these twos.
Okay. So
Okay, no, you can't take it out. They glued it.
they've glued it together.
Screw on the battery.
That could be, but the battery is glued down. I don't want to remove that, especially.
Okay, it's not.
Yeah, there could be a screw right here because it's.
Oh, sweetness, no already. Castle just.
Yeah, my
Condolences, mate.
the girlfriend's brother told me, and he lives in Småland.
Are you going to collect the rent? No, actually, I have some electronics project going on in Germany, so I meet with some people there.
So
and,
there's not much going on.
We see what we
on
want to build next, and of course I'm meeting thousands of friends. I've got the feeling that when I come back, I'll probably sleep for 2 weeks or something.
After you've done the live stream.
Yeah. After we did the live stream, so if I'm looking a bit out of
Yeah, we can't get into this without actually either removing the adhesive under the battery if there's a screw here, but there shouldn't be because the screen is right there.
You're taking my life is still.
It's probably glued down.
Know what causes an iPhone to be only able to charge if powered on. Once this dies all the way, it comes down to charging anymore. Sorry, mate. No idea on iPhones. None of us has an iPhone.
I hate Apple with a vengeance.
I'll stay away from Apple as far as I can.
I fixed a few
springs,
laptops.
right to repair. Absolutely, yeah.
No, I fixed a few laptops from Apple. Never again. They were so hopelessly annoying to get into and fix stuff and find stuff for them. It was a very horrible experience to fix one.
And I generally avoid Apple.
Crapple. Well, that's an iPhone for you, yeah.
Okay, questions, guys, in the last...
Okay, last 10 minutes.
So questions.
Ask us anything.
And I show this working in a little while.
If it still works.
Not responsible.
Can we make a list of good and bad sellers on AliExpress? Poof.
That's going to be hard.
That won't be feasible. These come and go so fast.
Yeah.
I will say that if I'm ordering things like ICs and MOSFETs, there's a seller that's its initials SUHMS.
Yeah.
Zooms. It's something Schengen, something Hong Kong, whatever. If you see this SUHMS, I've never had a problem with it. I've ordered from them.
Yeah, and most of the ICs I ordered as well from others, I have gotten parts that work. I can't say they're genuine. For sure.
Carl says, I got 100 iPhones in a box, but they are all iCloud locked. Got them from a mobile repair center. Well, Carlos, I think you got very fancy letter
weights.
Very fancy.
I don't know.
Door stops.
Yeah.
They're not that durable either.
Yeah. So maybe coasters for a beer or something.
Yeah. Update. Did I?
I broke it.
Of course he broke it. What did you expect?
Well, how did you go to update? I don't know.
London says, Richard, are you open to creating short videos on specific subjects like making a cheaper power supply useful for creating a filter? So,
okay, so
they're not crappy power supply something.
Okay, so I have a YouTube guru. Everybody with a channel over 100,000, or most of us, get like our own personal YouTube manager. And sometimes we do video calls and whatever. And she's already said to me I should do short videos to boost the views on the channel. So I should do.
You should, yeah.
I should do. I just haven't kind of got around to it.
But sometimes the repairs go long. That's
yeah, not repairs. She said I can make shorts from my videos.
Project. Shorts.
So it's something I'm considering.
Yeah, shorts are not useful at all.
Well, shorts now apparently can be up to 3 minutes, not 1 minute on YouTube.
Yes.
And she thinks that it's a good step forward.
Of course they
for
do.
profitability. So
Lon explains more short subjects like that could be helpful with common components mainly, and it's about explaining things. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So the answer is yes. I'm considering it.
But you're considering shorts.
Doing some shorts.
Yeah, people are. This is a mixed opinion there. Kavara says no shorts, please.
Yeah.
Make a separate channel for these bullshit.
Shorts have a problem, Rich. That's 95% of the earnings go to YouTube and not you. That's what they want you to do.
No, you still get the same percentage cut. It's just that there's less advertising on the shorts, so that it earns less money.
You need 10 million views to get the same as 5,000 views.
Something like that.
On YouTube.
People tell you no, don't do this. Yeah, Kafka says no.
Make a separate channel for shorts if you want to.
Everybody says don't. Okay.
Yeah, everybody says this. Well.
Yeah,
I was totally not on.
Shorts are good for each. Yeah, I mean, I think it's probably a way to direct people towards the channel. Anyway,
it works for that. That's for sure.
Something I've been I've been advised to do by YouTube.
Paul suggests do shorts in Gran Canaria girls.
That we can do.
With you, my friend. With you, my friend.
We can do that on the other channel.
Yeah, that would work.
Yeah.
Okay. That we can do. Completely agree.
Todd asked, I'm still working on setting up an electronics lab. I didn't take out the carpet first. Should I get the carpet out before I go any further?
From static, do you mean? From static
or
discharge?
making sure I'm wearing ground strap leads.
Yeah, ground straps.
A ground strap, and have an anti-static mat on your workbench. Thinking about, okay, so when I was in the UK, I was working in the upstairs room, I had a carpet. But I also had an anti-static mat and I never had a problem.
Yeah, as long as you have an anti-static
mat.
Yeah, you should be fine.
And you either put a wristband on, and not a wireless one, it doesn't, it has to be connected.
Oh yeah, wireless.
Wireless bloody wristband. or just rest your hand on the mat.
Yeah.
Shorts of cute girls is a yes, okay. Because
Seems there's a market for this.
Well, we have plenty of hot-ass brown chicks here, don't we? We have hot-ass brown chicks here everywhere. And for some reason here, not wearing a bra is the normal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like the norm.
Yeah, Tim goes, just an idea for a short. Which wire goes to the plus? Tim, not me.
Carlos, which wire goes to the plus?
The black one.
And Rory has a very,
is
good
polarity overrated?
Yeah, polarity is overrated.
You need a t-shirt with that one.
Yeah, t-shirt for Carlos. Polarity is overrated.
This one should
that goes on there,
Rory has a very good point there. Carpet makes it hard to find dropped SMD button.
Oh yeah. If you drop them, forget them. Pretty much. Buy extras.
Marcel asks, what you have for the next week? What you have some videos in the pipe, right?
Okay, so I've got the one where Elvis comes into the workshop and brings me a microphone. That's next. But tomorrow I've got some more PCs today at the car boot sale. So tomorrow's a car booty. Tuesday is probably Elvis. Well, he's the local Elvis things in the
one of the local Elvis.
Yeah. And I have. I'm working on them. I'll show you what I'm working on.
I'm going to Germany, and I've still going. Now videos. I'm done with videos.
Yeah,
I do the video work with Richard, and
I'm working on this at the moment. This is out of a powered mixer, a PowerMate. It's stuck up a text, but I don't see any obvious faults yet. So I'm on that one this week.
Yeah, that looks complicated and annoying.
Danke dir, Marcel. Ja, werde ich haben.
Flash G amplifier, and also we already have recorded, ready to release as the next PCBWay video where we do the hand routing of the op amp testing. So that's some of what's coming. It's also Winter Pride this week, so Breaking Out will cover this publishing. So we'll probably be out tomorrow, the first night. We have 7 nights of concerts. All techno, we got 2 Unlimited,
yeah, there's good
music. So this week I'll probably be working between the 2
good music, but I can't stand the crowds, especially when my back hurts. If they push me, I go on the ground.
I'm still traumatized from last year, so no Winter Pride.
No fisting.
No fisting.
No, the fisting. Oh, yeah. No, that was the fetish week.
That wasn't too long ago either.
No, that wasn't too long ago either.
I don't care.
Richard, the amplifier circuits you worked on this week. No, I don't know what cause of it. I think it's just literally that the Zener diode is too close to the limit. The third one I am looking at, but I got a couple of urgent jobs, including that one I'm on there. That big amplifier board. So as soon as I get a chance, I'm going back to the third one of those. On that one, the Zener diode is not short, I know that much. So something else wrong with that one.
Have you gotten any desoldering stations to review?
No.
Too bad. I need one.
Oh. Unfortunately not. I don't have any soldering stations to be
I ripped some pads on the Vectrex. I have to fix them. So next video.
Carver, yes, Sterner sounds very German. Indeed, it does. Yeah. So you could get away with a German name there. Yeah. Bob asked, you should put links for the products you like and also link directly to PP. Product place
and PayPal.
PayPal, okay, yes.
Oh, okay.
That's true. Yeah, true.
Yes.
Product links. Well, when you get the stuff like the not so crappy power supply from China.
That's a good idea.
This is probably a thing where you have
the link will work in 2 months.
The link will be gone in 2 weeks or something.
Yeah.
I never get this on some discount. You maybe pay more. So the best thing Big Clive does is this way. He normally gives you only search them and tells you look for the same pictures. They'll use the same pictures. So if you find the thing, this is your thing.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I put affiliate links on, so I usually get a small percentage, maybe 7%.
Yeah, not everyone gets the AliExpress affiliate program.
Yeah, true.
Lon asked, could the amplifier circuit you worked on this week, do you have an idea what caused them to fail in any?
Yeah, that's why I've answered that one. So I just think it's a design problem that the Zener diode has been pushed too close to its limit.
Yeah, that's usually.
That's how. I mean, I did some calculations and figured out that it's near to 1 watt and it's a 1 watt Zener.
So you can just get a higher rating Zener and should work. Yeah. That's good. That's fixable at least.
True. Yeah, I fixed 2 out of the 3 already.
Yeah.
You're taking my live. Thanks for the live stream. This is the first one I've got to catch and live, and I appreciate everybody's help.
Thank you very much.
These are the people around here. Yeah, they're really nice people out here.
Yeah.
Don't you have a Discord thingamajig?
Yeah, there's Discord. Yeah, although I don't frequent it. I'm just so busy with making videos. But yeah, there's quite a few people on the Discord. So
the Discord, they're helpful.
They're helpful on the Discord. So go to the Learning Electronics Repair, any of the video descriptions, and find the link to Discord. It's free.
I just lurk around there sometimes and read the articles. That's it.
Yeah.
Mike asked, Mike, you're here. Any progress on the AliExpress 30-volt PSU kit? I don't know.
Oh, I need to put them together.
Okay. Java. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I still have them. I have 2 of them. And I need to put them together. So the answer actually is no, not yet. Sorry. As soon as I get a chance.
Have your winter? Yeah, we don't have winter tires here. They actually don't know what it is.
Winter tires? No. We don't have winter here.
Yeah. But the problem is, it snows in the mountains.
Maybe once every 3 years.
Yeah, but when it does, there is a havoc. All the police are outposted near the entrances to the mountains.
Because everybody wants to go there to have the snow.
And they crash and they drive off the cliffs, and it's a disaster.
Yeah.
They don't know how to drive in rain here.
That's
how little it rains. When it rains, there is at least 15 crashes on the highway instantly, because they don't know that you water plane.
Yeah, plus also there's no storm drains here, so there's no drainage on the road.
Nope.
So when it rains, they turn into rivers and streams.
Yep, little Venice then. Yep.
Yeah.
They don't slow down either, so they just go flying into the next car.
All right, guys. Yeah, I think that is for tonight.
Yeah. Always fun.
Yes, the clocks do change side voltage. We're the same as UK, and we change the same date.
Yeah, and actually we changed the thumbnail because now it says GMT.
It says GMT,
Yes.
correct. Okay, Newfoundland has 4 seasons in one day.
4 seasons a day in Newfoundland. Newfoundland. Okay, this is nice over there. I heard. Yeah. I'm watching YouTube videos from Minecraft videos from over there. Yeah. Okay. So. We're done. So, folks, see you in the fourth night.
And fourth knife.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yep.
2 weeks.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Now you press end broadcast.